comic, but with a K, not a C.
Anyways, you sent us the story.
We will act. It is Sound Chaos. Yay! What was that, Opa? That was... Okay, so wait, what is that? What's that dance called? Rolly. I know. So Ashley's doing that. We're over here doing it. He's like, this is what happens when you get married. You get like, you lose touch of the culture.
It doesn't have to do anything with the marriage.
You lose touch with the youth culture because you are now an ajashi.
We were dancing. What was it like? I wasn't. Okay, what was it?
It's like I can't even do it right either. But yeah. But you're over here like.
Boopy. Whatever.
Different generations. Like whatever. Anyways, hi guys. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Yes. Okay.
Yeah,
what do you have to say?
No,
you have something to say?
No,
are you gonna cut me off? What do you got to say?
No, you go.
Oh no, I was gonna say. Oh my gosh! My friend Jason's listening, but he's like a really big fan of yours, Ashley. Me? Yeah. What an honor! He was like, can you tell her I said hi? Hi, Jason. Hi. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you. There you go. Awkward. You owe me dinner. Thank you.
I had a car accident.
What? Okay, way to break the mood. Can you not start off the story like you had a car accident? Can you actually tell the truth? Yeah, it was a tire ran over.
Tire ran over my foot.
Yeah, that sounds much less severe than like.
It is an accident. I did go to a police station for it.
Yeah, but he has like bandages, not bandages. Like what is this?
Bandages.
I was thinking of band-aids. His bandages on his feet right now. I hope you get well soon, though.
Yeah, it was interesting because like while you're wearing like slippers and then when the tire runs over you, you feel that instant my foot is right on the tire.
Does it hurt or does it just feel like pressure? Like, do you feel the whole weight of the car?
It feels like just a pressure, right? And then you feel like something is ran over you, right? And instantly you feel like, oh, okay, this is gonna be bad.
But is it the type of pain where you're like, ah, or is it just like,
does it come slowly?
Yeah, it comes slowly. And at that moment I didn't realize, but then later, like slowly, it gets swollen.
Yeah. Why were you in flip-flops though? It's not that hot yet.
He's not good with trends. I don't think.
I wear these shirts like 24/7, like 365 days. So it doesn't. Okay, this is what happened. I was gonna go to a grocery store, right?
Oh, you were just in front of your house.
Yeah, but then a friend of mine called me because she started running a cafe and she just wanted to come over.
Yeah.
So I just went over there, like. As I was gonna go to like a grocery store, like I was in shorts, I was in like wearing just t-shirts. I didn't even shave, and Yeah, I was all that.
Great story. Okay, what was the point of that story? What are you saying? What?
No, but our listeners are worried about you though, Key. Our listeners are genuinely worried. OMG, get well soon, Key. Quick recovery, Key. I hope your foot gets better, Key. I hope you get better soon.
So I have to get into an accident to get people's attention.
Oh my God!
No,
you want pity? That's what you want? You want us to be like, oh, Key, poor Key. I hope you get better soon. No, poor Key.
나 여기 올 때마다 I've been in this business for 15 years, right?
Yeah.
Like this is like first time that I sometimes get completely lost. I don't know like what to say.
I'm your 선배.
Yeah, Leah started when she was like 5.
인사해 선배한테.
What year was it? Really? Oh yeah, you started in 2001, right?
I don't know, 2000, like early 2000s.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you probably started a couple years younger because I remember you going on that show, like high school quiz show. That's when I was in high school.
Yeah, but it's weird because like I hate saying it, so when I see people like, oh, 선배님 안녕하세요, but in my head I'm like, just kidding.
Oh my gosh. Anyways, it was Star Golden Bell, right?
Yeah, Star Golden.
Wow.
Good times.
Oh, it was Star Golden Bell, so it was not about high school. It was
it was
celebrities.
Okay.
So she would come out with like happy face, and then she's giving like English questions, right?
Yeah, it would be like a quiz show, so it would be like charades, but they could only speak English. So like if you don't know English, like there would be like a keyword, but you would have to explain it in only English. If you speak Korean, then like it moves on to the next person.
I think I saw a screenshot of you. You were in like a cat, like backwards.
Yeah, I don't know.
So cute. So
a lot of photos I don't wanna see.
So cute.
You don't want to see them? I thought you were cute.
You look the
You were
same.
cute, yeah.
So cute.
Oh, this looks
Guys,
exactly
stop.
yeah.
Oh my God, you're giving me so
Stop.
many compliments. You guys know I live for compliments. Stop it.
Guys, while you guys are listening to, when we have a music break, I'm gonna find a picture and show it to you on our YouTube live.
Like how we showed Leah's dancing in
Yes,
music video.
you guys have a right to. You guys deserve to see every single bit of us.
Yeah, they want to see it.
Exactly. But
So guys, what's our topic today? Let's move on.
this topic is about karaoke.
Yeah,
Karaoke.
Because those are like the culture a lot of Korean people love.
I
When we're
love
drunk,
노래방.
we
Me
go
too.
to 노래방.
Yeah.
Then the problem is there's always people who is so annoying. Who be singing like just sad ballads all the time, or who'd be singing like idol song all the time, or who would never let the microphone go.
Yeah.
Like the person who would always sing for every single song.
guilty, so I'm not saying anything. I'm like, oh, you don't know what song you want to do yet? I'll do like 2 more, and then you can like jump in anytime.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, so many 노래방 episodes, karaoke episodes. So.
All right, so shall we start with the first one?
All right, let's get started.
Valentine, shake your booty. You can lick my little body, lick it. Just lick it. Everybody take a bite.
Leah was the happiest girl in the world when she was dating her boyfriend. Love that seemed to last forever has now come to an end.
I can't believe this. How can he do this to me? It was just yesterday he told me that he loved me. You heard him, right, Ashley? You heard him.
Yeah, I heard.
Are all boys like this? They change their mind this fast, huh?
Whoa. Calm down again, okay?
Yeah, what should we do? Is there anything you want to do? Let's do whatever you want. If you just stay home, you're just going to feel sad, so let's go out.
Yeah, let's go somewhere. You're going to feel better. Once you start doing something, you're not going to be thinking about him.
I don't want to do anything. Just leave me alone.
No, Leah, you can't be alone. You want to go to karaoke? You love karaoke. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go to karaoke. That sounds good. It'll be fun. What do you think? Sheep drum, Jimmy, sheep drum.
Oh God, Oppa, can't you see Leah's crying? Do something.
I want to listen to Leah's singing. Leah, you love singing. What song do you want to sing? I'll find a number for you.
Leah.
Okay, here it is. 미친 듯 사랑했던 기억이 주었으리 Oh, this song is so sad. Oppa, pick something else.
Hey, Leah, this song she said, let's sing something happy. We care to cheer you up.
Is that why he left me? Because I love sad songs? Is that why he broke up with me?
Oppa, why did you say that? Oh my God. It's okay, Leah. Just sing whatever you want, okay? What do you want to sing? I'll put the number in for you.
Okay, 8864.
Okay, here. Okay, start.
이렇게 널 사랑해 어설픈 나의 말이 촌스럽고 무미도워도 그냥 하는 말이 아니야. Okay, wait. I can still sing one more. There's one song I really want to sing, okay?
Leah sang sad songs again and again and again and on and on and on.
이제 다시 살아가네 말하는 난 너와 같은 사람 다시 만날 수가 없어서 살아갈 수 없어서.
How many minutes do we have left? She's gonna kill herself like this.
Just checked and the lady gave us another like half an hour. Dude.
Oh my God.
You're good. Wow, I'm impressed.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Literally a few days ago, I had a chance to see like pictures, actual performance, and when she was saying like, "Easy that she's hot," I was so touched because way she delivered the emotion.
Yeah.
You
literally sounded like her.
Yeah.
Like you were
You
crying.
broke up with your boyfriend like half a month, 2 weeks ago.
Not even 2 weeks ago.
No, like 2 hours ago.
Yeah. Oh my God.
아니야.
So funny. Oh
I
my
just
God.
it's because I'm the type of person when I go 노래방, even whether I'm sad or not, I sing sad songs. I don't know why.
Really?
I get really into it.
Well, actually, we've been to a 노래방 a couple times before.
Yeah.
She actually does.
Yeah, I get really deep. Like even when we have like the headshakes or whatever, like dinner,
Yeah.
right? And afterwards, like I'm the one that even when I drink, I get really deep. And so when that leads on to karaoke, it's just like game over.
She actually did cry the other day. She was singing one song.
The other day, you mean like years ago?
Karaoke?
2 years ago.
2 years
A year and a
ago.
half ago.
3
Year
years.
and a half ago.
Two and a half years ago.
'Cause- and it was literally the song that you brought today. And she was into this
Oh
song
no.
particular.
You're thinking it's because we sing this song at karaoke for a segment for something,
Yeah.
and yeah, I got really into the song, so I cried. Yeah, that's true. That's
Oh my
true.
gosh.
Yeah.
Anya said Leah is so good at acting. Min Kitten said Leah should get an Oscar. Siska said Leah is so good. Alexa said Leah was so funny and great. Leah singing
you,
her
guys.
heart out.
Thank you, guys.
Oh
Thank
my
you.
gosh.
Thank you.
I'm actually the opposite of you. I only
really?
sing happy, upbeat songs. I'll be jumping up and down. I go up on tables, dance on the tables.
Wow. Without drinking.
Yeah, without drinking. Like I just go to 노래방s or karaoke to de-stress.
Yeah.
So I like never sing ballad songs. Like if someone sings ballad songs, I'll like maybe sing a little bit or harmonize with them, but I don't pick ballad songs.
But I feel like there needs to be an array of people in the room.
yeah,
that's true,
you
that's
need
true.
a balance.
Yeah, you need a balance. So you need people like Ashley. Wait, what kind? You're ballads too.
Me, like, I sing like all different
Does
songs.
he only sing
No, you know,
songs?
oh, no. You know what
never
he does?
sing
He
Songseong song.
You sing songs that because you sing songs that you know you sound good at, and like you sing it like it's your concert.
Well,
You're one of those people.
Yeah, but I mean, like, I've never sing.
Try to
Okay.
impress.
No, I never. That's why, because I never sing a Songseong song when I'm in karaoke. Because the thing is, it's boring, and most of the time when we go to karaoke, it's to have fun, right?
Yeah.
Only time I sing ballads is like when everybody's gonna kind of got tired and they want to take a break, and that's when I started singing.
Yeah.
But normally I would be singing like up tempo, like modern rock, like Daybreak or Ijok, or
Basically, like yeah. It's all singers' voices that are very similar to you. Because it's
But Im Jae-bum is not.
Yeah, but you want to be Im Jae-bum, yes or no?
Well, yeah.
You want to be Im Jae-bum?
No, the thing
If
is,
you had a chance
yeah,
to be reborn as Im Jae-bum,
yeah,
Oh my god.
would you?
I would.
You would? Oh.
Because I love the voice of like Cho Jang-hyuk or Im Jae-bum, like those kind of like husky voice. I've always wanted that voice, but like mine is not like that.
Yeah.
So I've always wanted to have that like kind of voice. Anyway, so what song did you bring?
So the song that I brought today is by Urban Zakapa and is 너를 사랑하지 않아. I don't love you, or I can't love you.
I can't love you.
Yeah.
I can't love you. I don't love you anymore. Or I don't love you. I brought this song just because I did a simple version today. I was thinking, what song is my number one song to sing? I already said I like singing ballads, and this is the one song I love singing, and it's a duet.
Yeah.
But something that's really bad about me, I don't know if it's because I'm selfish, but like me and my sister go to 노래방 a lot. My younger sister,
Yeah.
but she loves like harmonizing, right? But I get so mad.
You get mad when
I
she
get
does
mad
that?
because she ruins the song for me. I'm like, no, I
know,
needed
I
to
know.
de-stress with this one song, but because you sing this, I need to sing like 5 more.
Oh my
and you need to be
God.
quiet.
That's so
I
funny.
see what you do. I see what you
Yeah,
mean.
and it's like if she's good at it, okay, I won't say anything. Like if it feels like it's fulfilling the song,
yeah.
but it's more of like she ruins it for me.
Oh, okay.
I know.
I see.
If you're really bad at like harmonizing,
Yeah,
then
don't
it
do it.
sounds weird.
Yeah.
But those kind of people think that they're good at it.
But then I'm also crazy because when someone does harmonize and they're really good at singing, I also get upset.
What?
Like low key.
Because
I won't ever portray it, but I'm
Yeah.
like, dang, they're so good at singing.
My thunder. The song
Oh
I
my
brought
gosh.
today is "사랑합니다" by Team. Because that's like that's the song that I always start with, like when I go to 노래방 all the time. Cause
from like 2001. Like
yeah, but the thing is, because you want to warm up your throats and stuff, right? And that song for me is a really good start, and then start from then, like I would sing like crazy songs too. So yeah.
I have a question. Since you're a singer,
Yeah.
do you ever sing your own songs at the 노래방?
no, never.
Oh,
No,
never.
I
Is
heard
that
a
like
lot of
very
singers do.
cringy?
Yeah.
But has like your friends if you go with your friends, do they ever make you?
Like if we have like 회식 with like our company people, then maybe like they'll tell us to like sing like or something. But then like with my friends, actually they sing it, but I just like kind of watch or dance.
I see.
Because like this topic had been brought up to on a lot of TV shows. Like, do you guys actually sing your own songs? No one does. No one actually likes. Like they kind of feel embarrassed or they want to sing their own songs. Only person that I know that does is Yoon Jong-shin. Yoon Jong-shin actually sings his song all the time when he's drunk. That's
Johnny.
You see that. So guys, if you want to listen to Leah's song, then vote for Leah. It's 널 사랑하지 않아 by Urban Zacapa. I Don't Love You Anymore, or 사랑합니다 by Timor. I Love You.
Rebecca Dodd said, "No, Leah, this song kills me, but yes, I vote for Urban Zacapa." Yes, I agree. The song makes me so sad, but I love it.
Actually, one day, like, it was kind of weird. Like a bunch of us were going to Hangang River, right? Hangang River Park. So we had 3 different cars going in there, right? And we called each other and we're on the phone and like, oh, okay, so we're gonna be there in 5 minutes, so let's like find a spot, right? All 3 cars were playing the same song.
No
and
way.
that was that 널 사랑하지 않아. So we had a Bluetooth speaker outside. We brought the Bluetooth speaker when we were at Hangang River, and like we were singing Hangang River, and we were playing that song over and over again for 40 minutes.
Wow.
With a like bottle of wine.
You know, I recently found this. I didn't know this, but there's like people that put together a playlist for like an hour, right? But of the same song, 무한반복. Like, so repeating the song. So it'll be like, for instance, like Urban Zacapa, 널 사랑하지 않아, like 1시간 듣기, listen to it for an hour. And like people listen to like, but when you're in the mood, it's like kind of like work.
But isn't it weird? Like, even if it's your favorite song, like you listen to this, like certain songs you can't listen to for hours, like the same song over and over again. But some songs, even if you like them, you can't listen to it more than like 2 or 3 times. It kind of feels weird.
Cool story, bro. Yeah. Basically, I think everyone's voting for me.
So listen to Urban Zacapa.
We have so many votes for Urban Zacapa.
Yeah,
so
5-1.
But people want to hear Leah sing, so they're gonna open the mic. So.
Oh my! It's my friend Jason that requested. Jason.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It is Jason. Jason said, if we vote for Leah, will she sing it live? Kaden said he's gonna open the mic so you can sing along.
I'm not gonna sing.
So.
And Tigger said if someone can sing along, that would be a bonus.
I don't know.
All right, let's go listen to this. This is 널 사랑하지 않아 by Urban Zacapa.
무슨 말을 할까 어디서부터 어떻게 고개만 떨구는 나 그런 날 바라보는 너 그 어색한 침묵 널 사랑하지 않아 너도 알고 있겠지만 눈물 흘리는 너의 모습에도 내 마음 아프지가 않아
actually going to turn on the mic.
I couldn't hear my own voice though. Did they hear
I couldn't hear our voices either.
Yeah, I only heard the song. But anyways, that was fun.
That was fun. That's why we go to karaoke.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Aaron from USA says, "Hey guys, glad it wasn't more serious key. Hope you recovered quickly. Thank you."
21 Crush from America says, "Hello again, Leah Nuna. Where are you working now? Are you still modeling?" Good question. I don't know.
Yes, she is.
I got tired from Instagram. Okay, that happens to a lot of us. Kiyoung, can you please wear closed-toe shoes more often for protection?
What?
Closed-toe shoes, like
For protection.
Closed-toe shoes, yeah.
Yeah. And then
I'll try.
Okay. He also says, when I sing karaoke, I don't go first. Honestly, there's a lot of people like this. They
going
feel
first.
pressure. They're like, no.
Yeah, especially if you don't go with like people that you know very well. It's very awkward in the beginning, so everyone's like 눈치 봐ing, like who's gonna go first? Like who's gonna go first?
So like first like 7-minute goes, and then like
and then after that, the people like they come out. It's like, oh, I see.
Good morning to you all. Well, it's 7 a.m. here, and this is the favorite show of the week. And I guess something is wrong with the Sirius Radio that some news is playing right now. I don't know why, but guys, but don't worry, because the thing is, we will be uploading our segment on AOD section, audio on demand, for our Arirang Radio application, so you can listen to it again.
Yeah, when are you gonna do this?
Our producer does it.
So you're not doing it, our producer's doing it. So why are you saying you're doing it?
Did I say? Did we say we? Did I say you?
Oh, I don't know. I don't really listen to you. I'm sorry.
By the way, there was JJ from Texas.
Hi, JJ.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you, I appreciate it. 진짜 힘난다.
Also, the Western karaoke like vibe is different from Korean.
Yeah.
Like it's like open. Like 'cause, a lot of bars have open karaoke.
Yeah, I don't know if I could do that.
I don't think I could do that.
I don't think I could do that
But
either.
they're so open, and even people who can't really sing, they just go up there and just sing their hearts out.
There's a similar bar in Korea in Itaewon, so I've been there once, and this a저씨, like 40-year-old a저씨,
Korean guy?
Yeah, Korean guy, drunk, and started singing, and everybody was cheering for them.
Yeah.
It was so nice, but then it was hard. It was so, like, that 4 minute was a disaster.
Oh, because,
Yeah.
I mean, I think it's fine if you go to a place like that and there's people cheering you on whether you're good or not, but I'm just scared, like, you go to a place like that and the crowd is just, they just don't care, and they're like, dude, shut up, stop singing, you're breaking my eardrums.
Yeah, but apparently they did have that in Korea too in the beginning, like karaoke style. Like, because 노래방 is different from karaoke.
Right,
So, oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Anyways.
So shall we get into the second
one?
skit?
Let's do
it. Get started.
Body time, shake your booty. You can lick my little body, lick it. Just lick it. Lick my little body, lick it. Just lick it. Everybody take a...
It is company dinner night. Everyone was looking forward to it because our team marked #1 in sales last month. My boss said he would be buying us Hanu, Korean beef, but the problem is Director Kim. He always joins the dinner and takes everybody to karaoke. And he's normally gentle and nice, but once he's drunk, he takes the mic and sings to every single song, and he always sings idol songs. I mean, idols of his good old days.
Well, you guys are great. It was a solid team effort. Loved your teamwork. You guys scored a #1 last month, and you guys broke the company record. So our president was so happy that he even is willing to give us the bonus. Cheers!
Cheers! Oh my gosh, a bonus. I can't believe it. Hey, Ash, how much do you think Mr. President's going to give us?
I don't know, maybe like $300. He's such a cheapskate.
After how much money his company earned because of us, he should give us like $1,000. But you're right, he's kind of stingy. Maybe at least like 500?
Yeah, but I'm kind of worried about today. Director Kim.
Why?
You know why? When he's drunk.
Oh, right, his legendary karaoke. I wasn't there last time.
He never lets the mic go.
I hate that. He's so nice at the office, though.
Not when he's drunk. I mean, he's nice, but he just never lets things go when he's drunk. Oh my gosh, it's time.
All right, are you guys all done, sober, drunk, whatever? Okay, let's go to karaoke. Your boss, Mr. Kong, bought this one, but the next round is on me. Karaoke time.
Here we go. Now we are at the dreadful karaoke.
Oh, love, 왜 이제서야 많이 외롭던 나를 찾아온 거야.
What era is he from? Jurassic period?
Tell me about it.
Oh, here comes my song. Hey, Leah, you should listen to this song. I listen to the songs all the time these days.
Okay.
Never leave, have to stay. 매일 나를 밝혀줘. 나만이 이런 날 피어나게 해. Every day, every night. 아침부터 오늘의 마지막까지 나는 너로 채워줘. Yeah, here we
I
are.
love this part.
더 이상
What is he doing? Ooh, here comes my song. 무슨 말을 할까? 어디서부터 어떻게 고개만 떨구는 나
그런 날 바라보는 너 그 어색한 침묵이
널 사랑하지 않아. Oh my gosh, stop! Get lost!
너네 진심이야. 연기하는 거죠 연기.
That wasn't acting. It was kind of
It was real.
yeah.
Why did you ruin the song? Jeez.
I was supposed to. That's my
I
character.
know. I was kidding.
But yeah, I hate it when people do that. I mean, if I ask you to be in it, then sing with me. But
I know. If
like,
not, dude,
like it's
stop.
my song. Like,
Go.
yeah.
Get lost.
No, it was literally Ashley's song. Get it, guys? Wink, wink. Go listen to it.
Here we are.
Go stream her song. Wink, wink.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, I used to cause in junior high school, middle school days, karaoke was like a part of our daily schedule. So after school, we would go to karaoke, and then we would take sticker pictures, and we would eat tonkatsu. So that was like our daily schedule. So when you go to karaoke with the same people all the time, you kind of know how it works. Like you sing the first verse, your friend sings the second verse, and then like you sing the chorus together, like harmonize. You have a pattern. So if you have like a best friend that you go with all the time, it works. But then if you go with someone that you might not really go with often, and when they like sing intrude and they sing your song, but you're not close enough to tell them like to stop singing, you're kind of just like, I just stopped singing. I'm just like,
I'm
just
done.
like-
I just didn't want to sing anymore.
yeah, I'm
I
just like,
don't really
you
like
can
this
sing
song
it
anymore.
And then like towards the end, I'll put it in again and I'll sing.
By yourself.
Hey guys, we're all like a bit selfish, and it's okay. We just gotta accept our flaws and this is just human nature.
And in my time when I was in high school, right, we had a cassette tape. So you go to karaoke, and then there's a cassette tape player like right next to the singing room. So they would record it for you. So my friends who had a girlfriend, like what they normally do was like they would go to karaoke and then sing their song and like record it and give that cassette tape to their girlfriends. That was like one of the romantic things that they did a long time ago.
Cassette tapes, that's so romantic. I remember, I mean, this, I guess.
Did you actually mean it, or did you actually?
No, I think if I was like back in that time, like the ancient times, I think I would think that's very romantic.
Ancient times?
Thank you, I appreciate it.
no,
So
it's like-
me, ancient, and what about PD님? It's like with the born of the earth, Big Bang supernova
BC.
before the Christ.
Oh my gosh.
No, but I think like in middle school, this was a thing for us. Like we couldn't sing on the actual songs, but like burning CDs was really popular.
Oh, yeah.
So like if you liked someone, you would like make a track list of these songs that you like, and you would like you would burn the CD, and then you would make cover art for the thing, and be like, this is how I feel.
I miss doing that.
Well, I'm a bit different. What we used to do was like put the cassette, like the empty cassette tape on the audio components, and then when the radio starts playing, you start a recording button. And we hated the DJs who would talk in between. You know, when the song is playing,
Like in between the songs?
yeah, and then when,
Do you like this song? Yeah.
no, they're like, so for example, when the song is playing, they would be talking about the background of the music, you know. So this song was released in 1996, and you know, the composer is like blah blah blah, right? Then that ruins the whole thing. you know,
Right. Yeah.
Well, this is actually before my era. It's not my era. I'm not that old.
Okay.
Or cool. Yeah.
So next music, I think Ashley, you picked this song.
Yeah, this is one of my must-sing songs when I go to karaoke. It's a bit of an oldie. I think it's from like early 2000s.
And
but
she just got married too.
yeah, she just got married. Lee Jung-yeon is one of my favorite singers from way back then, and her songs are the best to sing at karaoke because it has this particular dance, and I just love to go up on the tables and just dance and sing to this song. So
All right, let's move everything off the table.
this table is way too high, but this is Wa or Come by Lee Jung-yeon.
Wow, that was
was
amazing.
That is
That's
just a
hot.
sneak peek of how
Amazing.
hard I go at karaoke's, y'all.
Wow,
Whoa, it's hot in here.
I'm kind of
Let's get
offended
out
I've
there.
never been invited.
Oh, wow. I was invited either.
How has it been almost 2 years since I've known Ashley, and it's the first time I'm seeing this.
Oh,
I've never been to a karaoke with Sound K.
yeah, I've never been.
I know, but even just like as oh, so we're just work friends.
I want to
Well,
go.
we're offended.
No, I want to go. No, I haven't been to karaoke in a year and a half. So it's been a while. Yeah.
Okay.
Because, you know, like, one. Woo!
Breathe, girl.
It's hot.
Breathe. All right, so
Take time.
Ashley just
So,
danced. See, 역시
Yeah.
singers are different.
Yeah, they are.
It's just like all the hours of training and practice and just like comes out so
Exactly.
naturally. We look like idiots doing it.
That's
I
exactly
look
what
like
we're
an
doing
idiot,
behind
too.
we're doing it.
I look like a total idiot, but that's fun.
Seneca Sensations, I just got the best screenshot of Ashley in the camera.
I'm scared.
You are so crazy. I love
your
you.
face is pretty close.
I was up there.
And Terry says the song reminds me of I Need a Hero with I Need a
it
Hero.
does.
That
I
one.
love that song.
Yeah,
Oh, that was the wrong note. It's I need a hero.
We're talking about I'm a hero.
No.
That's
No,
Hero
no,
by
that's
Mariah Carey.
Yeah, I know.
I need a hero. No, it's down. It's
What is-
I need a hero. 아닌가?
아닌가?
I don't know.
You're the
Anyways,
singer, you
doesn't
sing.
matter.
I don't know.
You don't know. It's like it comes on in Shrek at the end,
Yeah.
the last scene. The fairy godmother. I need a hero.
That song. I'm a believer.
Oh, is that what the
No,
song I'm
like
thinking
all
of?
three of us are singing different songs. Okay, so later we will on a on a group chat we'll talk about it. Okay.
Okay, never
Yeah.
mind, guys. We're all on the wrong
Yeah.
page here. Okay.
Exactly.
All right.
We're really living up to our corner name today.
Yeah.
We haven't been
Sounds
chaotic in a while.
chaos.
Yeah, it's a bit
Ooh,
chaotic.
It's hot.
Yeah. So
What's
Yeah.
up? Where are we? So what do we do now? What are we talking about?
some of the things get like the most annoying things you could see in a karaoke.
Right,
culture.
that's what we're
Yeah.
talking about. Right.
I hate it when people like cancel my song, like because they think
Yeah.
after a
Sorry,
verse
didn't
it's
you?
enough. Like after one verse it's enough, so they're like, okay, moving on to the next song. But I'm like,
Yeah.
I hate that.
the highlights
yes.
like the bridge, like
But that's them intentionally doing it. I also
Yeah.
hate it when they unintentionally, like when they're like putting in a number while you're singing, and then they like hit the cancel
Cancel by
button to cancel,
accident.
but it can't, and you're like, and you're just about to hit the highlight, and
I
you
also-
know you're gonna do so good. You're like, dude, I was gonna press everybody in this room, and you just can't.
Yeah.
And then it's like they're like, oh, 다시 해줄까?
then you act like nothing's
That's
wrong
like-
and continue doing it a cappella. Like,
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
But they're like, oh, do you want to start over? I'm like, no, I don't want to
No.
start
yeah,
over.
that just ruins the mood.
That's like all the things you came up to. Like you're at right here, and then
What?
I'm still hot. I'm still sick.
No, it's
I don't
really
know what
hot
I'm
in
talking
here.
about.
I can't
Yeah.
breathe. It's really hot in here. What's another annoying thing that people do? Oh, this is like I hate when some karaoke rooms they're not updated.
Oh yeah,
I
song
hate
you
that.
were
It's
looking for.
forever.
Yeah, I hate that because then they don't even have like new songs.
I was
and then-
like that until 10 years ago. Now, like all the songs that I sing are 4 digits.
Are already.
And now I think it's 6
4
digits.
digits.
Now.
Oh, now it's
So-
6 digits.
Yeah, so I don't, even if it's not updated for me, I'm fine. Yeah.
Wait, do you have any of your songs in 노래방?
My song?
Yeah, no, not the 수박 song. Can you sing the 수박 song? Just two lines.
수박이 좋아요. 너무 좋아서 배탈이 났죠.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Anyways,
Interesting.
yeah. I like it.
also hate it when, we have to share a mic, and even though they give you mic covers,
Yeah.
when they like put their mouths on the mic, I'm like, that's
Yeah.
disgusting,
Or people that
bro.
spit a lot and you can
Yeah.
like see the spit going inside
Yeah.
Are you low-key OCD a little bit?
Yeah,
You are? Like,
that.
germaphobe a little bit?
Kinda. Like I don't want to share that. Like, I don't want to put my mouth on their saliva.
I hate when people get too drunk and they fall asleep in the 노래방. I'm like, then why did you come?
But what if it's not their fault? Like, what if they just wait? Did that happen?
I don't know. Someone outside. Yeah, it happened kind of before. Yeah.
Or like, no, there was one time, like, all of my friends, we were like, oh, let's go. But then once we got there, everybody, like, didn't want to sing. And I'm like, are you kidding me?
What?
I'm like, why did they
sometimes
come?
that happens.
Yeah, I'm
Sometimes
like,
that
dude.
happens. You know, like they're drunk, you know, but on the way to the 노래방, they slowly like, you know, wakes up and then it's like, oh, nobody wants to sing anymore.
Right.
But I guess you have to pick what's worse. Like only ballads,
or
someone that sings only ballads, or what was the other
Someone who
one?
always
Upbeat?
sings like idol songs. You know,
idol songs are like upbeat songs.
upbeat. Yeah, most of them. Yeah, most of them.
Well,
But, you know, it's like when you
so
see,
hard.
for example, me at my age, me singing like I use 오빠 그 뭐지?
Oh, like if you sing,
Like me singing that, it's like
why would you even sing that in the first
Thank
place?
you.
I'm just
Thank
kidding. You could sing it.
No.
Why not? If you love IU,
Yeah,
why
yeah.
not? It's a good song, and it's a fun song to sing in the 노래방 because it has that three
Yeah.
like thing.
I don't know, but when like people, very aggressive looking person who's like 40 years old starts singing like I use 오빠는, and then that feels like
I think it's an age thing then maybe.
Yeah.
Like I think if you're at a 노래방 and you have an older guy that's constantly singing upbeat idol songs,
Yeah.
but like very like cutesy, I think I would find it a little disgusting.
exactly, that's what I was gonna say. Yeah, that's
I don't know if
that's
disgusting is the right word, but like I don't know if
Not comfortable.
Like
Not
I'd be like,
comfortable.
dude, what are you doing? Like, where's your nimchi?
Oh yeah. I made up my mind. I'd say worse is singing ballad songs because like me, like for me, I go to karaoke to de-stress and have fun and like that. Like I wanna like just dance and have fun. And for me, I like to sing upbeat songs. So yeah, I'd rather do that for 2 hours straight than sing ballad songs.
In the comments, sorry, Jason said, what about the tambourine enthusiast?
I love that.
You love
well,
that?
if they do it to the beat.
But what if
Right,
what if they're just
important.
like everything? It's like even like ballads, like yeah,
Take it away from them. Just take it away from them.
hit it with it.
No, yeah.
With it. For me, I like ballads, but I sing like rock ballads where you have to almost like shout, and because the thing is also like yelling and shouting kind of gets rid of your stress. So sometimes that's why I like Im Jae-bum song, because most of them are just like really loud, high notes, you know, singing. So
Right.
that's what I love. So I don't like that. I don't like the 40-year-old people doing the cutesy stuff. Like I can't stand. I would just punch him in the face. So yeah. Anyways.
I don't know. I like a good mixture too, Eeyore. I like a good mixture.
Yeah. Rebecca said, it always bugs me when my friends load up a bunch of their own songs then disappear to get drinks before they come on.
Oh yeah.
If it's a song that I know, I'll just sing it. Yeah.
But then the thing is, like that person comes back and it puts the number. Like, oh, where did my song go?
Oh,
And
yeah.
the person puts it
Be
again.
like, too bad you missed it. You
Yeah.
shouldn't have left.
Exactly.
Rebecca Dot said idol songs are fun though because you can do the dances and stuff with it. Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
I like
And it really depends on like who you're going to karaoke with. For example, like depending on, you know, if I were to go like people who was way older than me, like or like 선배s or like 직장 선배님들 or 부장님, then I have to 마주치는 눈빛이, like I have to go with the trot songs. Yeah, like all those.
Why
like,
they
old
like
songs.
idol songs?
Yeah,
too.
they like idol
tear up,
songs.
baby, tear up. They like those kind of
That's
songs.
when
too.
girls do it. Like when I go, yeah, they wouldn't. They don't want to see yepa yepa. Like they would not.
No,
wanna
but you know
see
what
it.
I realized when I do go to like with older people, like because like business or not because of business, but like with your company people,
Company people, yeah.
I realized the difference in their reactions. Like if you're doing a ballad song, they're just like, oh, like you're doing like good job, and then when you sing like idol songs, like so I'm like, oh, okay, I see.
Yeah,
So.
that's very true.
Yeah, because I feel like a lot of older people go to karaoke like with younger people because they want to get that energy.
Yeah.
You know, like they want to feel like the youth energy because it's not like they're going out clubbing anymore, or like you know. So it kind of gives them like a refill.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I can
yeah.
definitely see
Re-up,
that.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we still want to know, like, you know, if you guys have a topic or things that you guys want us to talk about, you can still leave us your messages and the topics here, then we'll try to act it out.
Yes.
Rebecca Dodd said, I'd rather just do fun songs at karaoke. Ballads are for when I'm at home alone feeling emo. And Seneca Sensation said, I love good ballad though because sometimes I just need a belt. LOL.
Yeah, that's how I feel. I just need to belt it out.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just ask you guys. Like, we heard like what song you guys like. What song do you guys close with? Like, you have 3 minutes left.
Okay.
Oh, what?
낭만 고양이.
I love it.
Yeah.
Me, bounce with me. DJ DOC.
Bounce with me, bounce with me, bounce.
외로울 땐 나를 불러. 뭐가 네 나를 걸러. Yeah. 알고 있잖아. I need you, I want you, I run to you. Woo! Oh, the title was Run to You. Yeah.
But we all knew what you were talking about. We're like, yeah.
For me, I always do the 말 달리자.
Yeah,
That's
that too. That's a classic.
Yeah.
That's a
Ooh,
classic.
okay.
Anyways,
Wow, it
it's
really
felt
got
like
hot in here today.
We did have a concert today. We did.
Yeah. Yeah, low-key.
And we have a final song.
Yeah.
Finale.
What's our finale?
Oh, the song that we just talked about. Yeah.
Which one?
Run to You by DJ DOC. I'm gonna have to dance again on the way out, man. So yes, we have to say goodbye now. But before I go, the answer to today's quiz was number 2, Younghwa movie. So head on over to the SoundK homepage to find out if you're the winner. And like I mentioned before, the last song for today will be Run to You by DJ DOC. And this has been your Shuli DJ Ash and
Key.
And Leah.
Shine on Us. Bye bye.
무엇이 날 막고 있어도 갈 수 있어 너만 원한다면 달려가겠어 훨훨 날아가겠어 널 안아주겠어 내 모든 걸 주겠어 내 사랑을 받아줘 내 사랑한단 말해줘 Yeah baby Bounce with me bounce with me bounce 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 외로울 땐 나를 불러 뭐가 네 맘에 걸려 내가 원한다는 걸 넌 알고 있잖아 I need you I want you I will run to you Yeah baby 네 마음에 문을 열어 나를 허락해줘 네 안에 네 맘에 내가 들어갈 수 있게 나의 사랑으로 채워줄게